Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today, a really quick review. We're going to review this, well, not even review, unboxing or debagging of this 90 degrees HDMI connector. So I've had to buy a replacement. The other one lasted probably a year or two. These are really cheap. I paid under $5. I can't remember exactly how much I paid, but it was of that sort of money. And what it is essentially an HDMI sort of extender. You can see if you're using a laptop or a computer and the cable is in an awkward position. So my one basically sort of is on the side where the mouse is, on the right hand side, and it clashes and it's really annoying. So I bought one of these little gadgets. You can get them left to right and right to left. This one is, well, whatever to whatever. You plug, instead of plugging the cable straight in like that, and it would stick out quite wide, this way you can plug the adapter in and then the cable in there. And so what you do is you save up some space here, and that's where you can use your mouse. So really useful item, really inexpensive, less than $5. I mean, I might have paid $4, something like that. And you can see the cable goes in one side and then the other side plugs into your device. So recommended buy, gonna last a year or two, and then just buy another one. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys that this type of product exists and it's really useful. Amazon, eBay, those kind of places, they're sort of cheap manufactured products, but they do work well and they save a lot of desk space and a lot of frustration. So recommended buy.